Want bigger, stronger biceps that actually stand out in a t-shirt? The secret isn't spending hours in the gym, it's choosing the right exercises and performing them with perfect technique. Today, you'll discover the 5 best biceps building exercises trusted by fitness experts to maximize muscle growth, strength, and impressive arm size. Number 1. Barbell Curl, the king of biceps exercises. The barbell curl is widely considered the most effective exercise for building massive biceps because it allows you to lift heavier weight than most other curling movements. This increased load creates more muscle tension, which is one of the primary drivers of muscle growth. If your goal is bigger arms, this exercise deserves a permanent place in your workout routine. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart while holding a straight or easy bar with an underhand grip. Keep your elbows close to your sides throughout the movement. Curl the bar upward by squeezing your biceps until it reaches chest level. Pause briefly at the top to maximize muscle contraction before lowering the bar slowly under control. Avoid swinging your body or using momentum, as this reduces the effectiveness of the exercise and increases injury risk. Perform 3-4 sets of 8-12 repetitions, selecting a weight that challenges you while maintaining proper form. Gradually increase the weight over time to apply progressive overload, which is essential for continuous muscle growth. To maximize results, focus on a controlled tempo rather than rushing through the repetitions. Eat enough high-quality protein, stay hydrated, and allow your muscles at least 48 hours of recovery before training biceps again. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter, the barbell curl remains one of the fastest ways to develop thicker, stronger, and more defined biceps. Master this classic movement and you'll build the foundation for impressive arm size and lasting strength. Number 2. Incline Dumbbell Curl, build a full bicep stretch. The incline dumbbell curl is one of the best exercises for targeting the long head of the biceps, helping create taller, fuller-looking arms. Because your arms hang behind your body while sitting on an inclined bench, your biceps begin each repetition from a deep stretch, increasing muscle fiber activation and promoting greater growth. Adjust an inclined bench to approximately 45-60 degrees. Sit back with a dumbbell in each hand, allowing your arms to hang naturally toward the floor. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your elbows slightly behind your torso. Curl both dumbbells upward while keeping your upper arms stationary. Squeeze your biceps hard at the top before lowering the weight slowly until your arms are fully extended again. Perform 3 sets of 10-12 repetitions using moderate weight. Avoid swinging your arms or lifting your elbows as these mistakes reduce tension on the biceps. A slow lowering phase is especially important because the eccentric portion of the movement creates significant muscle-building stimulus. Control every inch of the repetition instead of letting gravity do the work. Many lifters neglect this exercise because they can't lift as much weight compared to standing curls. However, the increased stretch and isolation often produce superior muscle development over time. Include incline dumbbell curls after heavy compound curls in your workout for maximum effectiveness. Combined with proper nutrition, progressive overload, and consistent training, this exercise can dramatically improve bicep size, shape, and overall arm aesthetics. Number 3. Hammer Curl, build thickness and forearm strength. The hammer curl is an outstanding exercise for adding overall arm thickness because it targets not only the biceps but also the brachialis and brachioradialis muscles. Developing these muscles pushes the biceps upward, making your arms appear larger and stronger from every angle. Stand tall while holding a pair of dumbbells with a neutral grip, meaning your palms face each other. Keep your elbows close to your torso and your chest lifted. Curl the dumbbells upward without rotating your wrists. Continue lifting until the dumbbells reach shoulder height, then squeeze your arms at the top before lowering them slowly back to the starting position. Complete 3-4 sets of 8-12 repetitions with controlled movement. Resist the temptation to swing your body or use momentum, especially when lifting heavier weights. Hammer curls are especially valuable for athletes because they improve grip strength and forearm endurance, which carry over to exercises like pull-ups, rows, and deadlifts. Stronger forearms also enhance your ability to lift heavier weights during traditional curls. To increase intensity, pause for 1 second at the top of every repetition and lower the dumbbells over 3 seconds. This extended time under tension encourages greater muscle growth. Add hammer curls near the end of your arm workout after heavier exercises like barbell curls. Combined with progressive overload, proper nutrition, and adequate recovery, this movement will help build thicker, stronger, and more powerful arms that stand out both in and out of the gym. Number 4. Concentration curl, maximum peak contraction. The concentration curl is one of the most effective isolation exercises for developing the peak of your biceps. By eliminating body movement and focusing all the effort on one arm at a time, this exercise creates an intense muscle contraction that improves both size and definition. Sit on the edge of a bench with your feet spread comfortably apart. Hold a dumbbell in one hand and brace your elbow against the inside of your thigh. Begin with your arm fully extended. Curl the dumbbell upward slowly while keeping your upper arm completely still. At the top of the movement, squeeze your biceps as hard as possible for 1 to 2 seconds before lowering the weight under control. Perform 3 sets of 10-15 repetitions on each arm. Use moderate weight rather than heavy weight because perfect form is far more important than lifting heavier dumbbells. One major advantage of concentration curls is the strong mind-muscle connection they create. Focusing on every repetition improves muscle activation and encourages better long-term growth. Avoid rushing through the movement or allowing your elbow to leave your thigh. Maintaining strict form ensures that your biceps perform all the work instead of your shoulders. Finish your biceps workout with concentration curls to completely fatigue the muscles. Combined with consistent training, balanced nutrition, and sufficient rest, this exercise helps create fuller, more defined arms with an impressive biceps peak that becomes more noticeable over time. Number 5. Chin-up, the ultimate bodyweight biceps builder. The chin-up is one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises for building massive biceps while also strengthening your back, shoulders, and grip. Unlike isolation exercises, chin-ups train multiple muscle groups simultaneously, allowing you to develop functional strength and impressive upper body size. Grab a pull-up bar using an underhand grip with your hands approximately shoulder-width apart. Begin by hanging with your arms fully extended. Pull yourself upward by driving your elbows toward your sides while squeezing your biceps and back muscles. Continue until your chin clears the bar. Pause briefly before lowering yourself slowly to the starting position. Aim for 3-4 sets of 6-12 repetitions. If you're unable to perform multiple chin-ups, use an assisted pull-up machine or resistance bands until your strength improves. More advanced lifters can increase the challenge by wearing a weighted belt. Focus on full range of motion instead of partial repetitions. Lower yourself completely before beginning the next rep to maximize muscle activation and growth. Because chin-ups involve lifting your entire body weight, they place tremendous tension on the biceps while simultaneously improving grip strength and upper body endurance. Combine chin-ups with barbell curls, hammer curls, incline dumbbell curls, and concentration curls for a complete biceps building workout. Stay consistent, eat enough protein, progressively increase training intensity, and prioritize recovery. Over time, this combination will help you develop stronger, thicker, and more muscular biceps that enhance both your appearance and overall athletic performance.